There is something special about Ghanaian like soup. It's not just food, it's comfort. The aroma alone can fill your whole house, and suddenly everyone is asking, "What are you cooking?" I tell you. Today, I'm taking you through how to make a rich, flavorful assorted meat like soup. And I'm also adding a special ingredient later on that will completely elevate this soup. So make sure you don't skip any step. Let's get straight into it. So I'm starting with my already cooked cow foot. As you can see, it's nice and soft. That's exactly what we want because cow foot takes time to cook. Next, I'm adding my fresh meat. Using a combination of meat really help build that deep, rich flavor in the soup. Each meat brings its own taste, and together it makes the soup more authentic and satisfying. Now I'm going in with my blended mixture. So I blended garlic, onions, and also ginger. You can never go wrong with garlic and ginger in light soup, especially when you are using fresh meat, because it gives it that strong appetizing aroma and depth of flavor. I'm pouring everything into the soup, making sure the meat is well coated. Now I'm adding a little tomato paste. This is not too much. This is just to enhance the color and give the soup a slight richness without overpowering the traditional taste. Now to season it properly, I'll go in with some aroma seasoning powder, a little bit of salt to taste. Always be careful with salt because the seasoning cubes already contain salt. Now add in enough water. You don't want it too thick at this stage because we are still building the flavors. Cover it and allow it to steam. This step is very important because it allows the meat to absorb all the flavors from the seasoning and spice. All right, let's check on our soup. You can already see the meat is releasing its natural juice and everything is coming together beautifully. At this point, I'm adding my vegetables. I have onions, carrot, fresh pepper, and garden eggs. These vegetables are essentials for that authentic Ghanaian soup flavor. The garden eggs especially give it that traditional taste we all love. Now I will cover it again and allow it to cook until the vegetables are soft. Now everything is cooking nicely and the aroma in here is just amazing. At this stage, the vegetables are soft enough. Removing all the vegetables carefully and I'll blend them off camera until smooth. Blending the vegetables helps to thicken the soup slightly and also distribute all the flavors evenly throughout the soup. Now I'm pouring the blended vegetables back into the soup. So immediately you will notice the color becoming richer and the texture slightly thicker but still light. That's exactly what we want. At this point, I'm adding a bit more water to adjust the consistency. Light soup should not be too thick. It should be very smooth and easy to sip. Now, I'll stir everything very well so it combines perfectly with the meat. Now, for the special touch, I'm adding my Brunswick mackerel in tomato sauce. This is honestly one of the best on the market. It's rich, tasty, and adds a whole new layer of flavor to the soup. You don't even need to do too much. Just add it in gently. This right here is a game changer because it enhances both the taste and the aroma of the soup. Now I will give it a gentle stir, cover it, and allow it to cook. Make sure you check it from time to time and stir gently so everything cooks evenly and nothing sticks to the bottom. Is very important. At this point, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Can you subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Now, just look at that. Our soup is ready. It's looking very rich, beautiful texture, and the aroma absolutely incredible. The meat is tender, the soup is well seasoned, and everything has come together perfectly. You can serve this hot with fufu, rice, yam, or any swallow of your choice. As you can see, I'll be enjoying mine with fufu, and trust me, it was very good and you need to try it. Trust me.
Every dish a joyful treat.
This is the kind of meal that brings everyone together. If you try this recipe, trust me, you are going to love it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious Ghanaian recipes. And just like that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.